What if I told you that in about 12 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make more money this summer while working less than you ever have before? And what if I told you the secret has nothing to do with working harder, getting more traffic, spending money on ads? In fact, I'm going to show you it's so simple, you're probably going to think I'm lying. But stick with me for the next few minutes because by the end of the short video, you'll understand why entrepreneurs are trapped in their business and how a handful of lazy entrepreneurs are actually building systems that work without them. My name is Debbi Starr, and what you're about to see could change everything for you. Now, let me be brutally honest here. Every summer, probably the same nightmare repeats itself for most entrepreneurs. Summer rolls around, you want to take a break, spend some time with family, maybe actually live a little for once, but your business does not get the memo. Can you relate? The moment you step away from your laptop, leads dry up. The moment you stop hustling, sales stop. And the moment you try to take a vacation, your income disappears. Does that sound familiar? Well, here's what's really happening. You don't have a business. You have an expensive prison that requires your constant attention. You're not an entrepreneur. You're a highly paid employee of yourself. And every summer you tell yourself the same lie. Next year it's going to be different, but it never is it? Because even when you do try to take time off, you're constantly checking your phone, worrying about those leads, stressing about sales, and you can't enjoy your vacation because you know the business is falling apart without you. And the worst part, whether you're stuck in this hamster wheel, other entrepreneurs have figured out how to build a business that actually works for them instead of against them. Now, before I go any further, let me show you something that might shock you. This is a Google Doc, so let me just share my screen here. Hold on, let me get the right button. And let me just show you, this is just a super straightforward, we call it the ugly doc sales page. You know, there's a few emojis, a few little bold here and there. Call it the ugly doc. Okay, so let me come back here. So what is it? It's my highest converting sales page. There's no fancy design, no expensive copywriter, no complicated funnels. It's just words on a page that persuade people to buy. Now, while my competitors are spending tens of thousands of dollars on those pretty websites with all the bells and whistles, this simple approach consistently outperforms them. And why? Because I learned something the hard way. People don't buy beautiful pages. They buy from persuasive pages. And when you combine that persuasive copy with simple automation, something magical happens. Your business starts working even when you're not. So what's the secret? It's actually embarrassing simple. Most entrepreneurs are building pretty systems that don't make money. I build ugly systems that actually work. Now, here's the difference. Pretty funnels focus on the design, the graphics, looking professional. Profitable funnels focus on one thing, getting people to say yes. Traditional business, you work, money comes in, you stop, money stops. Automated businesses, you build once, the system works forever. The lazy entrepreneurs that I mentioned, they have figured out how to build systems that work without them. While everyone else is hustling 60 hours a week, they're living their lives while their system does the work for them. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you to build. It's called my Some More Sales Summer Camp. And here's exactly what we're going to build together. Week 1, I call it your $1 million offer. We're going to take all your confusing generic offers and turn it into something that people actually want to buy. No more, I help people with stuff. You'll actually have a clear, compelling offer that practically sells itself. Week 2, the lead magnet that actually leads to sales. So forget about attracting those freebie seekers. We're building a lead magnet that pre-qualifies your ideal clients and positions you as the solution to their biggest problem. Week 3, it's that ugly sales page that converts. So using my Google Doc method, you'll create this simple sales page that turns visitors into customers, even while you sleep. Then week 4, the automation that changes everything. This is where the magic happens. We connect all the pieces of your business so it starts working without you. And then, as a bonus, weeks 5 through 8 is where you get personal coaching and optimization. I personally review your funnel, give you the feedback, help you to optimize everything for maximal results. And by the end of 8 weeks, instead of being chained to your laptop all summer, you'll have a system that works like this. Someone finds your lead magnet, they opt in, your automation nurtures them, they buy your offer, and you get paid. All the while, you're living your best life. Your business will be running on autopilot, generating leads and sales 24/7. Now, I get it. I know what you might be thinking. This is too good to be true. I was skeptical also, but here's the thing. This isn't some new untested theory. This is how most successful online businesses actually work. They build the systems once, then they let those systems do the heavy lifting. Look at some of the most profitable businesses online. Their pages aren't pretty, but they're effective. They understand that automation isn't about being lazy, it's about being smart. Why would you manually send the same email to every lead when you can write it once and let the system just send it automatically? Why would you personally follow up with every prospect when you can create a sequence that does it even better than you could? Now, entrepreneurs that get this are the ones that are building real businesses. The ones who don't, well, they're still trading time for money. Here's what you need to know. Some More Sales Summer Camp starts Monday, June 9th. And because I personally coach everyone in this program, I can only take a limited number of people. Here's the deal with the pricing. Right now, you can still get in for $297. But the moment the camp officially starts on that Monday, it jumps to $497. And in the future, when I offer it, it'll be even higher than that. So it's a $200 difference for the exact same program to get started today. And here's everything that you get. 8 weeks of live coaching with me, 2 months of the premier Go High Level marketing platform access. That alone is worth $194. All of my templates, frameworks, automations, personal feedback on your funnel, your offers, everything that you're building, and a complete system that works on autopilot. Now, look, you could try to figure this out on your own. You could spend the next year watching all those YouTube videos and buying random courses. But here's the reality. Most people who try to finish this stuff alone never finish. They get overwhelmed, confused, or distracted by the next shiny object. That's why this is a done with you experience. We build it together, step by step, week by week. By the time summer's over, you will have a complete system that works. Now, the window is closing fast. Don't be the person who tries to save a few bucks today and then you end up paying $200 more tomorrow. Remember, 8 weeks of live coaching with me, 2 months of the premium Go High Level marketing platform, worth $194 just by itself, all my templates, frameworks, automations, personal feedback on your funnel and offers, a complete system that works on autopilot. Again, you could try to figure this out on your own, buying all those random courses and things like that. We want you to get to the end, okay? We want you to get finished. We don't want you to be feeling overwhelmed and confused and distracted by the next shiny object. So that's why this is a done for you experience. We build it together, step by step, week by week. I'm holding your hand. And then you'll have a complete system that you can use over and over again. Now, you might be thinking, well, I don't have time to build all of this stuff. That's exactly why you need to build it. You're spending all your time on manual tasks that could be automated. We are going to give you your time back. Some people might be thinking, but I'm not tech savvy. Perfect. This system is designed for people who hate complicated tech. We use simple tools and I walk you through everything. Now, someone might be thinking, but what if I fall behind? No worries. You get lifetime access to all recordings, plus 2 months of Go High Level platform so you can, start dipping your toes in, testing things out. This is not a sprint. It is a build it right experience. Now, you might be wondering, will this really work for my business? So if you're a coach, a consultant, a creative who sells your expertise, then yes, this system will work for any knowledge-based business. So you have 2 choices this summer. Choice 1, you can keep doing what you're doing, stay trapped in the hustle, watch your income disappear every time you try to take a break, spend another summer stressed out about money instead of making memories. Choice 2, you can invest in this 8 weeks building a system that works without you. Finally, you can have the freedom to enjoy summer while your business runs in the background. The choice is yours, but if you're tired of being the bottleneck in your own business, if you're ready to work smarter instead of harder, if you want this to be the summer that changes everything, then click the button below and secure your spot in S'more's Sales Summer Camp. Don't wait. Don't think about it. Don't tell yourself that you're going to decide later. The early bird pricing ends soon, and when it's gone forever. So click the button, fill out the form, and let's build your freedom machine together. I'll see you inside S'more Sales Summer Camp. This is Debbi Starr, and I will talk with you soon.